It's not as cold as it was yesterday, or am I tripping? It was freezing when we got here yesterday.
Nice little toy you have here, huh?
This is the guy with that custom Rolex that I was mentioning, the Daytona with the black. It was like sick. And you just saw it on his wrist, whipping it. Just sideways the whole time.
He's having a great time.
Wow, man, what the heck? Come on, wake up. You're gonna wanna see this.
Greg, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, pleasure.
He makes car noises.
Like vocally.
Locally. That sound like the actual car.
That's incredible, Greg.
I do my best.
Did you come from like a singing background?
No, I'm a musician. I have what's called perfect pitch. So I'm a pianist. And I guess using my ear pretty well, I can pick up noises.
That's the
And
most
yeah, it's interesting.
original, crazy thing I've ever heard of. That's really cool.
Yeah, thank you. It kind of feels cozy here.
That's nice.
It's just welcoming. It's like a Cars and Coffee with a track.
Yeah.
And like extremely exclusive cars.
Yeah, yeah.
And you don't get this anywhere else. I don't know. It feels nice. It feels kind of at home. I
It's
don't know.
not pretentious or
No, exactly.
Keys inside. Let's just take the car or what? Yeah.
That thing's gonna sound pretty nice when it's wide open throttle. Wide open throttle. That truck is gonna sound really nice. You'll hear when it goes out. When it goes out, it's gonna be very, very, very loud. When that Supra goes back up, I want to walk and see that. That's gonna be sick. All right. You guys getting ready to go out?
We're gonna start warming it up.
Yeah. Sick. That's good.
It should be fun.
Oh, it should be fun. Yeah. Have fun. Be safe. You ready or what?
So ready.
Yeah?
It's like such a blast.
You got a game plan? You're just gonna wing it.
Well, see how it is? I know there's a couple corners that are super slick. Like Jeff said, this
Right
corner
here and that
this
one.
corner
Yep.
are gnarly. So,
Yep.
And I've seen a lot of people lose it on the top here. So.
What's the purpose for this car? It's a hill climb.
Pikes Peak.
Pikes Peak.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you gonna take this up in June? This car? Yeah. Nice. It'll be
We're
fun.
gonna set the next record.
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure. 100%. That's good. Sounds good.
Sounded good out there.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, I picked a different gear too.
Oh yeah?
Got second gear.
Awesome.
So viscous.
Yeah. Yeah.
You
It's
know?
pretty unique.
Right? I don't know if that's the correct term, but you know what I mean.
I get it.
You know what I mean.
Yeah. I mean, pretty well, but you might.
you filming me?
Nah, bro. I'm not
No.
filming you.
No, you're not doing your job.